Hi everyone, hi mom. It's Liz here at the Paper Project, and I am sharing a sewing themed junk journal with you guys this time. It is using primarily VectoriaDesigns, of course some J9Scraps, and this awesome piece of sari silk that keeps coming apart because that's what sari silk does. I did make it out of a file folder, and the cover I have put a lot of fabric kind of collage to it, and so let me show you inside. I made 2 pockets in the front. This will be listed in my shop, you guys. I like that. And then I left sort of like a pocket on both the front and back because of the way I folded the file folder, and some additional little pieces here that I thought were super cute. This is like a metal pair of scissors. And then of course the J9Scraps library pocket with the card, and I've just kind of combined all the pieces there. I've got the gorgeous image from the kit. Just love it. I've used some laces and some trims. I love it. J9Scraps pieces as well. And I've also used the vintage Vogue sewing book for this one, which I really like using the vintage pieces. As you can see, the images are just gorgeous. Original piece there as well. I made these tags out of another file folder because I like the numbers on the side. I believe that's Tsunami Rose. I've used some of those as well. Love that. Some Holtz as well. And then more original book pieces that I've collaged in the front there. And then this is extra journaling space. I've added a button actually to this one, if you can see that. And then here I've got some extra tucks. Here I made a tag. I love this tag. I did all that little collage, and it's such a thick piece of cardboard that I use as well for the tag, so it's really nice. More journaling space. J9Scraps. Oh, I like the way that it kind of shows through there as well. Fabric. Original piece, and the inside of this one has like, it's blank, so you could actually use it to journal if you wanted to. Then here I made another tuck, and I've been inspired a lot by Marie Blondell, you guys. I have one of her journals, and you know, I'm sure you guys have seen her work, but I will link her channel below as well. I was so inspired by her stuff, and so that sort of is additional inspiration for this this journal. Love the vintage images, and I used those really nice doilies. I don't know if you can see like the flowers and stuff on them. They're so nice. More tuck spots here with journaling cards, button card, tuck, pocket there. Original book piece here, and then I just added this, like, I think it's like a needle book folder or something like that, and then tuck that out, pop that in there, and then here there's like a piece of fabric and a bunch of layering happening. So thank you so much for joining me. I love this journal. It will be listed in my shop. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them below. Thank you so much for stopping by.